Jennifer Phipps with Sycamore Lane Realty at Keller Williams.
My name is Mike Lewis. I work for First Colony Mortgage here in St. George, Utah.
Hey, Mike was just telling me this great information on a grant for law enforcement. So let's talk about that Utah Housing Corporation grant for the Utah first-time homebuyer law enforcement.
Thanks, Jennifer. Just this month, the state of Utah has made available an interest-free forgivable grant to law enforcement and correctional officers for the purpose of purchasing a home.
So who will be eligible for this special grant?
Really, any full-time enforcement officer, correctional officer, or peace officer authority of park rangers is defined by Utah codes.
Park rangers too?
As well, yeah.
Awesome.
And it could be airport police. That's another option too.
Firefighters? No.
Afraid not. But these officers, they need to be a first-time home buyer. First-time home buyer is considered a person who hasn't had home ownership in a primary residence in the past 3 years. And also an officer who is a single parent who has at least one dependent child, regardless of previous home ownership interest.
And what do we need to know about the grant, and how does this benefit the law enforcement community?
The grant amounts go up to 3.5% of the purchase price, not to exceed $25,000, whichever is less. It's a no payment, no interest grant that is forgivable as the officer occupies the home as their primary residence. Grant funds can be used for the down payment, closing costs, mortgage interest rate buy down, or prepaid mortgage insurance. One important thing to remember too is there needs to be 5 years of employment with any law enforcement jurisdiction in Utah is required.
I love this.
Yeah.
No interest for 5 years, but you got to keep the home for 5 years.
It's a great opportunity, and it's just, people need to remember this program is a first come, first served basis to Utah law enforcement officers who purchase a primary residence in Utah. Yeah.
Okay.
If you have any other questions about this great program or any other loan programs, feel free to reach out.
Love it. Sounds like a great program. I am interested and looking forward to having the conversation. Please call or reach out for any more questions. Mike Lewis, Jennifer Phipps.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel for Sycamore Lane Realty at Keller Williams. I'm Rebecca Bundy, and I just wanted to say make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button below if you haven't done so yet, and we'd love to hear from you. So whether you like what we're saying or whether you disagree with what we're saying, please let us know. And if there's anything that comes up that you are not getting answers to that you would like to know about, please make a comment below or request a video, and we can put that together for you. And we're happy to help you because we are here for where you're growing next.